Today we're going to be covering basically two different topics related to Gimp. One is like how do you install it, uh, how you would install Gimp on Ubuntu. So we're going to be covering three different methods of installing Gimp on Ubuntu. The first one is that you will use the snap packages to install Gimp, and that would be like sudo snap install Gimp. That would be the first method. Uh, I tried that. I was having trouble using help when I installed that. Uh, like using the snap packages. The only issue I had was using the help. The second method is using the PPA packages. So for that, like what you would do, the first thing we would do is like you will install uh, like one way would be sudo apt install gimp. That would be the second method. Another way of doing it is like what you would do is like I'm just putting a hash in the at the beginning just to comment the hour because I do not want to execute the commands, so that's why I'm just putting the hash at the beginning. So you would do something like sudo add apt repository ppa ubuntu. So you will tell the name of the repository, which will just we're gonna be using this ppa ubuntu handbook 1/gimp, and then you will do sudo apt update, and the last thing you would be doing is sudo apt install gimp. Okay, that would install that. If for some weird reason the basic sudo apt install gimp doesn't work, you can add the apt repository ubuntu handbook 1/gimp, and then you can try that. The third one, which I have been using recently, is using the Flatpack. So for that one, that is like if you go to the GIMP official website, you will see that this is the suggested method. So first, again, you will try to install the Flatpak. So for that, you will do sudo apt install Flatpak. Right, you need to have that software in order to use the Flatpak method to install that. That is one thing, right? Let's say if it fails for some reason, and it may need to update your the app repository. So what you would do is like sudo add apt repository ppa alex larson / flatpak, and then you will update again sudo apt update, and then you will install it sudo apt install Flatpak. But when I installed on my system, I remember the Flatpak was recognized by the system by default. I didn't have to add the repository, so that this one worked. So once you have the Flatpak on your system, what you need to do is let me just clear it. It would be flat again without this hash pack install and the name of the website of the URL https slash flathub.org/repo. So you would do that and it would install it. And once it is installed, you would just run, in order to run it, you will just say flatpack run. Because one thing which I have noticed is, like, if you use the snap tool in order to install it, like, you will be able to see it in all like all installed packages, like show in the sorry, all installed applications. So you will go to show application, then you will be able to see it. But like when you use the Flatpak to do that, you are unfortunately not able to find it. Again, we can make the application icon by other methods, but by default you have to run the GIMP using the command line. So for that you will do flatpak run. Again, I'm just gonna hash it out. Flatpak run org.gimp.gimp. So that would start the application. Okay, that was the first topic I wanted to cover. The next one is, like, how do you use the help uh, in the GIMP software. So when you install I didn't have any issues once I installed the the GIMP software um, using Flatpak. So one way of doing it is, like, you go and, like, again you can go to F1 help and you can do that. The other way of getting to the help is, like, if you want to learn about any, so what you do is, like, you click, yep, so you click shift and F1. So this icon is gonna change to from the cursor, the regular cursor, to kind of a question mark, and you click on something and it's gonna open up uh, the help browser. And as this one is telling you, this is a smudge tool here, and then what exactly does it do, and you can read about that. So again, shift and F1, and then you click on that, and that will open up the help. I think the recording software may not be showing you this help browser, but that's how you would, like, if you want to learn about any of the tools available in GIMP, that's how you would do that.